Alright guys, so let's have a look on some of the job roles I've been asked and requested through other social media platform. So people or the guys who are looking for some entry-level jobs, that's what I suggest sometimes. Go to Indeed to kind of have a good idea. Also, you can search these jobs on LinkedIn and other search engines. But Indeed, I think you can do a lot of good search, narrow it down. Idea is not what these jobs, of course, the jobs are available, but if you're entering either in IT or cybersecurity, project management, you name it. So I'm going to put more videos. So since I have these cybersecurity related jobs in front of me, so I want to give you an idea what these jobs are, what are the expectation, and how can you find, and do you really have those skills, or you do or may need to get your skills updated and upgraded, right? So here, as you can see, I'm looking for the last 7 day jobs, entry level ones. So if you're coming from non-IT background, or if you're entering level job in cybersecurity, so that's as you can see, there are 99 jobs. And then it looks like it's in different states, these jobs. Entry level cyber threat analyst 4 days ago. So we can start going one by one. But and also there are jobs which have a different salary range, so depending if you're eligible for the federal job or not. That's another stuff. But as you can see from these jobs, understand the job titles. And FireEye, for example, is a very well-known company. Here again, Maryland, DC, and you can see the range. So I'm sure they will require you to have some experience. And IT specialist, so not necessarily if there is no security job, but again, if you can meet the criteria, so you want to enter the IT, so you may want to consider one of these jobs. So you, for entry level, you just need to get on a job, right? And then from there you can get some experience and you can move on. But if you get the job you wanted, of course, that would be the perfect scenario. All right, so yeah, these are like pretty low, but again, depending, as I said before. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pick one of these jobs and we'll go from there. So let's pick Fire I1, what they are looking for example. If I click on this one, and uh, they give about the company and the job description basically. So they want you to be somebody with who's really like to have some challenge, um, you know, um, and problem solving skills. And this is a very basic and common things, but let's take a look on. You will be involved in incident response, so that's first line of defense. You may be working in a software operating center, a SOC. You will be working with different customers. You will be provided some dashboard or something where you can watch the incidents. They may get emailed to you. This is usually normally happens, and then you are going to manage that. And usually these guys provide you the training. And then you need to know about host and network forensics, network analysis. We'll have to do penetration testing and all that. So responsibility, you'll have to do some conduct forensics. So basically these are the jobs, responsibilities. This is something you are expected to deliver. So this is where you gonna make sure you have those skills developed, and you can learn this. You can do some labs and practice and all that stuff. So for example, the incident of compromise, you can google it and you'll find out what does it mean. Perform network penetration, web and mobile application testing. So basically they will probably going to give you some tools. We can run the scanning against those servers. That's part of your job. You may have to do a lot of scripting, not a lot of, I mean, some sort of scripting. You may have to do it, develop comprehensive accurate reporting. You have to do after you do analysis, and work with IT operations and client to implement the remediation. Basically, once you do that, and then you're ready for the report, then you have to work with your customer and tell them, hey, this is what you have found out. And then based on the risk level, you work with your customer, get those things implemented. Now take a look at the qualification. Technical skill with at least two of the following areas. I always say that, always, each and every video, every social media. stuff on putting those things, you got to have very solid networking and operating system knowledge regardless. So Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac, you must have. And that's why I say, if you do count TIA, make sure you take those courses for A plus, Network plus. This is where you can build your skills. You got to have some basic knowledge of forensic collections. So again, Security Plus, if you go look at the syllabus for the Security Plus, you're going to learn a lot. Or you can do a YouTube search and you can find a lot of learning material from there. So COVID, everything is remote, so that may not apply as the time I'm recording this video. And additional qualification, and if there is any degree requirement, I don't see it. So again, this is one of the job you don't really have to have a degree. You need to have some scripting language skills, or even if you don't have, just apply for these kind of job. That will help you, as depending if you can deliver and speak to your interview. So that's being said, if you like it, let me know in the comments and suggestion, and we go from there. I hope this is helpful to you, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you and bye.